How to list only top-level directories in Python? I want to be able to list only the directories inside some folder. This means I don't want file names listed, nor do I want additional subfolders. Let's see if an example helps. In the current directory we have However, I don't want file names listed. Nor do I want subfolders such as \lib/curses. Essentially what I want works with the following. However, I'm wondering if there's a simpler way of achieving the same results. I get the impression that using os.walk only to return the top level is inefficient / too much.
Filter the result using os.path.isDir, and use os.path.join to get the real path.
os.walk. Use os.walk with next item function. For Python, equals 2.5 use. How this works. os.walk is a generator and calling next will get the first result in the form of a 3-tuple, dir path, dir names, file names. Thus the 1 index returns only the dir names from that tuple.
Filter the list using os.path.isDir to detect directories.
No.